Welcome to the Destinwood Limited, a UK-based crypto tech company creating destiny to wealth for its community. Company has launched 6 crypto-based projects since September 2022, and in which you can earn a good income and secure your future. If you are looking for the best cryptocurrency projects to invest in which you can earn regular profit and not a single loss, so you don't have to worry about your invested money. Does it really look possible in reality? No! So to bring this into reality, let me present you the best cryptocurrency in the crypto market, iFortune coin, in which not a single investor is in loss unless you sold your coins at low price. When you are buying any cryptocurrency, 3 most important points you need to look into: limited supply, authenticity, utility. iFortune coins are limited in supply, only 40 million coins. iFortune coin authenticity is related to crypto-based projects like Own Crypto Exchange and Crypto Card. iFortune coin utility is related with payment in 2,500 brands in 80 countries through IFC, Phison wallet. If total limited supply of 40 million, iFortune coins get distributed in the crypto market of 20 countries around the world in upcoming years. One day its limited supply will be over and demand will be continued. Let's do a basic mathematics of demand and supply of iFortune coin for price prediction. In 2023, total IFC holders, 100K. 40 million divided by 100,000 is equal to 400 IFC. Average buying per person is 400 IFC. Average price was $5 to $20. In 2025, total IFC holders, 1 million. 40 million divided by 1 million is equal to 40 IFC. Average buying per person is 40 IFC. Average price will be $100 to $500. At 1 million users, company will list iFortune coin on 25 to 50 exchanges worldwide with electronic media announcements in a single day to create a global marketing phenomenon in the crypto market, which will attract worldwide crypto buyers of different exchanges to buy this coin. Then at the same time, when the world will be buying, iFortune coin community holders will be selling their coins at good profit. Conclusion: the price of any crypto coin only grows by either its community grows or its project grows. Our founders had launched its first project, iFortune coin, in September 2022, which you can trade, iFortune X cryptocurrency exchange. They designed a calculated system in form of mobile application, basically for investors to get profit each time when they invest. The name of the app is Fortune Machine, which is also the second project of the company. Since its launch, more than 100K users of this app have earned profit. Not a single user is in loss compared to any other system currently present in the market. What is Fortune Machine app and how are we going to earn rewards? Fortune Machine app is the best staking and mining crypto earning platform in the market, which gives you minimum 2.5 times profit on your staking. How to stake and mine iFortune coin in Fortune Machine app. Download Fortune Machine app from Play Store. Use the sponsor ID of your sponsor and create your account. At the same time, create an account on that iFortune X exchange. In Fortune Machine app, you will see 3 types of wallet. First, stake wallet, where you will see your transferred coins from the exchange or any other ID. Second, lock wallet, where you will see your locked coins. Third, reward wallet, where you will see your earned coins. When you are logged into your Fortune Machine account, you will see whatever coins you will deposit. It will show automatically into your stake wallet account. Like if you deposit 100 coins, it will show into your stake wallet, where you will see stake option. If you stake your coins in lock wallet, then you will get 0.6% per day on your locked coins. At the time of locking, app will lock the quantity of iFortune coins and calculate until 2.5x. Once you have earned 2.5 times of coins of your staked coins into your reward wallet, then your locked coins will be 0, and those coins will go into dead wallet, which will never come to the circulation supply. Then even the company can't withdraw those coins to bring into the market. This will decrease its circulating supply in the market, which will help in the rise of the price of iFortune coin in the future. The coins which you will earn every day will be able to withdraw from reward wallet accordingly. Restaking or buying of new coins will be required to keep your ID active. Activation time period is only 1 month, starts from the day once you have earned 2.5x income. Fortune Machine app provides 5 types of income and rewards. First income is return on staking. Example: if you have locked 1,000 coins, then you will earn 0.6% per day, which means you will earn 6 iFortune coins per day on your locked coins. If the price of one coin is $15, then you will earn 6 multiply 30 is equal to 180 coins per month. 180 multiply 15 is equal to $2,700 monthly income. Second income is direct rewards. Example: if you refer someone by your sponsor ID, you will get 5% on their first staking directly into your reward wallet, which means if someone joins under you with 1,000 coins staking, you will get 50 coins directly credited to your reward wallet. Third income is level rewards. Example: on level 1. If you refer other people to join Fortune Machine app by your referral ID, you will get 16% of their per-day rewards. Like your referral staked 1,000 iFortune coins in its ID, then he will earn 6 coins per day, and you will receive 16% of 6 coins per day will be credited to your reward wallet, which means you will earn 16% from all referrals on level 1. On level 2, if your first level referrals refers other people to join this app, then you will get 10% of their per-day rewards credited to your reward wallet, which means you will earn 10% from all referrals on level 2. On level 3, if your second level referrals refers others to this app, then you will get 4% of their per-day rewards credited to your reward wallet, which means you will earn 4% from all referrals on level 3. On level 4, you will earn 2% from all referrals. On level 5, you will earn 1.5% from all referrals. From level 6 to 10, you will earn 1% from all referrals. From level 11 to 13, you will earn 0.5% from all referrals. On level 14, you will earn 2% from all referrals. On level 15, you will earn 3% from all referrals. Fourth income is price appreciation income, which is rise in the price of iFortune coin. Fifth reward is tour rewards. 5 international tours are done. Company organizes target-based international tours for its community in every 3 months. International tour destinations: Thailand, Dubai, Vietnam, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Azerbaijan, and Georgia. Company has launched its third project, iFortune International Crypto Card, issued by European Bank and licensed by MasterCard, in which you can transfer your crypto from any wallet to this prepaid card, which you can withdraw in the form of cash from any ATM machine around the world. Price of the card is $199. iFortune Crypto Card Level Program. If you refer other people to buy the card, you earn 20 USDT from level 1 directly into your USDT wallet in Fortune Machine app. From level 2, you earn 10 USDT. From level 3, you earn 9 USDT. From level 4, you earn 5 USDT. From level 5, you earn 5 USDT. Company has launched its fourth project, iFortune X, a cryptocurrency exchange, in which you can trade top crypto pairs along with iFortune coin with safety and security. You can earn up to 50% each time of the trading fees from your referrals by becoming an affiliate. Easy deposits and withdrawals. You can do spot trading, futures trading, options trading, copy trading, and OTC or P2P on iFortune X with advanced high security to keep your funds safe. Company has launched its fifth project, IFC Phison Wallet app, which is a utility project for iFortune coin, in which Destinwood Company has collaborated with Phison Super App, a crypto wallet and payment gateway company headquartered in Vietnam, through which users can pay by iFortune coin in more than 2,500 famous brands in 80 countries worldwide. Download Phison Super App from the company referral link to keep your iFortune coin in the wallet to pay directly to different brands in near future, which is better than MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Company has also launched its sixth project, iFortune X token. With a limited supply of 20.1 million tokens, you can stake and trade this token at iFortune X exchange. This token will be used as gas fees in company's own blockchain. After the ICO of iFortune X token in February 2024, company has launched its second phase, which is DCO discounted coin offering, a very new strategy applied by the company which has never been done by any other company before. In DCO, you will always get 5% discount on the price of iFortune X token, listed on iFortune X exchange, if you buy it from the website www.ifortunex.io. Example: If the price of iFortune X token is $1 on the exchange, then you can buy the token at $0.95 from the website. You will always get 5% discount on whatever the price will be on iFortune X exchange. iFortune X token 5 levels. Monthly rewards on staking up to 12 months. Level 1, 2% of 6%. Level 2, 2% of 6%. Level 3, 2% of 6%. Level 4, 2% of 6%. Level 5, 2% of 6%. Destin Wood recommends to keep and hold at least one iFortune coin and one iFortune X token in your wallet for the future. You might not know when IFC and IFX can rise up to $1,000. In the roadmap of Destin Wood Company, 6 projects has been launched, and another 5 future projects will be launched this year, which will create a utility and demand for iFortune coin. Future projects are Fortune Scan, which is company-owned blockchain where new iFortune X, IFX token, will be created on our blockchain, and old token gets swapped to be utilized in transactions as a gas fees token. Fortune Matrix, which is pure networking plan, where iFortune coin will be used as a utility. Fortune Games, in which users will use their stake wallet or reward wallet, iFortune coins, for playing different games to win more coins. Fortune Tours, in which users will be able to book their flights, hotels, and tours by paying iFortune coins and other cryptocurrencies. Fortune Tube will be an online video sharing and social media platform, where content creators will upload videos and reels from which they will earn certain amount of iFortune coins on each view. If anyone from the viewers is watching that content, then he will also earn certain amount of iFortune coins on each video or reel. Either content creator or viewer to earn the coins, he has to be registered on Fortune Machine app. iFortune coin is listed on world's top crypto analysis websites like Crypto.com, CoinMarketCap.com, CoinGecko.com. In the watch list of world's top exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, on top price predictions, websites like PricePrediction.net, DigitalCoinPrice.com, CoinCheckup.com. Please understand these points carefully before using any of the company projects. Destin Wood is a crypto tech company, not an investment or MLM company. Company never takes any fiat currency from anyone as a part of investment and never encourages any of its users to do so on the behalf of the company. Only cryptocurrencies can be used in any of its projects. Company is launching lots of crypto-based projects which might use many marketing strategies in which MLM or referral program could be one of them to get more users in short time. Company reserves the right to change in the rules and regulations for its projects at any time with or without notice to run its project properly. Fortune Machine app is a staking and mining app, not an investment app. Crypto is a highly volatile market and you should know the risks where you can earn profit and loss both. Users are solely liable for joining with their own profit and loss. Company never encourages anyone to take loan to invest in iFortune coin. Company never forces anyone to join and use any of its projects. Company never promised for any guaranteed profits since its starting. Company is always against pump and dump. Company is continuously working for a long-term benefit for its community. If you believe, then only use any of its projects. If you are using any of its projects, it's being understood by the company that you have read carefully all the terms and conditions and agreed while signing up not by force but by your own will and understanding. Crypto is a long-term investment, not gambling but holding with patience. Search on Google about iFortune coin for more information. Visit www.ifortunecoin.io. Thank you for understanding the project.